welcome to my today unboxing. I have received this awesome package from my sponsor GUNFIRE and another brand which name I won't mention right now because I want you to guess what is inside. I will tell you only that this is a rifle, Airsoft rifle replica. So try to guess what's inside, and now I will show you what I've got inside the package also. Armored club, gloves, really great gloves. I use them for a few months and I'm really happy with them. I play almost every week, so they have passed many stress and tests, and they're really great. They didn't rip, they're really comfortable. Also you can find their glove made of Kevlar. You can find fire resistant, cut resistant gloves, so you can check them all out on GUNFIRE and use my code for get 12% discount. I will write the code in the description below the video. Okay, it's time to reveal what I've got from my sponsor GUNFIRE and what is inside this box. As you know, I'm an AK fan. I use my AK for around 4 or 5 years. So what would be a better gift for an AK guy like me than a brand new American weapon? It's an AR-15 from Spetsnaz Arms. It's an Edge series with pre-installed XASR gate MOSFET. It comes with a reinforced Orion gearbox inside. Great price, like you can get this replica for around €200. It has a spectacular range of models, as you see here. Many models, many colors available. I have chosen the E07 model, and let's see how it looks. The box is really great. I love it. So inside we can find some promo material. I think this is a big poster. We have a quality certificate which say they have measured FPS with 0.2 dBs and it was 380 FPS. So you will have a really great replica right off the box. User manual, some awesome stickers, then you got the keychain, then you got a Spetsnaz Arms multifunctional bandana with Spetsnaz Arms logo on it. You get a Spetsnaz Arms kill rag, some awesome patches. I love patches. I'll put them straight on my wall, and if you want to see your patch here, just send me a direct message. I will be honored to have your patch right here. Then you have a battery adapter. You get this card for XASR 4th generation MOSFET by Gate. It's a troubleshooting card. You can see the possible reason for malfunction and how to solve it and what to do. So this is really great. You got this awesome grip with this small compartment where you can hold your battery, or you can maybe put some candy inside or wherever you want. You got a second string. This one is M90. You can use it when you want to go to play some CQB, and because this Spetsnaz Arms Edge series have a quick release and quick change of the spring, you can do that like in 3 minutes. You just need to take off the stock tube, you take out the old spring, put the new inside, and you're ready to go. Then you got 1, 2 mid-cap magazine. This is great. I don't love the high-cap magazine, and usually all the Airsoft replica come with the high-cap magazine. I love and use only mid-cap, so this is great. Also, these magazines are made really well. They have some really great texture with Spetsnaz Arms logo on it, and they seems really durable. And finally, this is Spetsna Arms Edge 07 model, and it looked really great. And if an AK fan says so it must be. I'm really satisfied with this replica. It has front and rear side. Let's see how it looks with magazine. Really great. Here you have a quick detached pistol grip for easy access to the motor without using any tools, so you can fix, take out, change your motor in a few seconds. The replica is really well made. I'm really satisfied. It has original trade markings from Rock River Arms, unique serial number, so it's really a great replica. Can't wait to test it on the field, and I'll let you know more about it soon. Thank you so much for watching, and